to another episode of Travel Chef, and today we're going to make a ready to cook breakfast. In this video we're going to make the Slurrp Pancakes. This is a quick and easy millet pancake that can be done in few minutes, and so this is about it, and we're going to show how to do it. So well, in this video we're going to show you how to make the pancake, the consistency required to make this pancake little fluffy and the correct shape. Also we will show you how it is quickly done. So come on along with us. Let's see how to make this quick and easy breakfast together.
This is a Slurrp pancake mix, and it's chocolate flavor. It has ragi as well as foxtail millet is one of the ingredients. So if you see behind the packet, it has the nutritional information. Then how to make it. Also, it is 150 grams. So I think for 150 grams you will get around 10 pancakes. But when we try to do it, we'll show you how many we'll get exactly from one packet of 150 grams of pancake mix. The first step is to empty the contents of the pancake mix into the bowl. Next step is to break an egg and drop in one egg into this mix. Based on the instructions, we had to take half packet of pancake mix, but since we are many people, we thought we'll take one whole packet of pancake mix, and with that we add the ingredients of egg as well as milk. First we are adding a half cup of milk gradually, and then after which, based on the consistency, we will be adding little more milk or another half cup of milk. Now we stir all the ingredients together and we make it into a smooth batter. So now we are gradually adding the remaining milk, and once again we mix all these ingredients together. In fact, we added a little milk to get this consistency. If you see the consistency of the batter, now it is perfect, and we can now move to the next step of making our pancakes. Now we have lit our stove and we wait for the pan to get heated. We have cut a small piece of butter and we place it into the pan for it to melt. Now we are adding the second piece of butter after we have added the first piece of butter, because I guess the amount of butter was little less. Now we spread the butter evenly. We are trying to make this pancake in a tawa, which is ordinary tawa and not a non-stick pan. So we want to see how does the pancake come out. So let's see. If it does not come well, then we'll move to a non-stick pan. Ladle of pancake batter, and we slowly drop it into the tawa, and it's a perfect round shape. And from one packet of pancake mix, we should get around 10 to 15 pancakes. So let's see if this comes really true. Now the pancake is cooking outside. You see the air bubbles coming up, and it is lovely chocolatey color. And as it cooks, we have to wait for some time before we flip the other side. And now the pancake is cooked on one side. And the next step is to flip the pancake. And now one side is cooked, we have flipped our pancake and we wait for a minute for the other side of the pancake to get cooked. Also, if the pan is hot, it's better that you lower the flame because else the pancake might get burnt. So just keep in mind about that too. Now the other side of the pancake is cooked, and we flip it once again, and this is our pancake, a chocolate pancake. Pretty easy, simple, and very lovely smell comes out of the cooked pancake. So maybe you can try this.
I was doing a bit of a research about this company, and I came to find out that this product was developed by two mothers who wanted to serve their children good and tasty and healthy food. So that's the way they brought out this product called Slurp. To make this product, the owners did a lot of research going through the grandmother's recipe books, and that's the way they zeroed in on millet, which one of the best ingredients. The next ingredient that they saw is ragi, which was really useful. So together they thought it's a right time to make a business out of this, and so the first product that they released was chocolate ragi cookie. Well, if you found making this quick and easy breakfast, try it out. Please get a packet and try it out for yourself. And if you like this video and this video is really helpful for you to make good and fluffy pancakes, do give us a shout out in the comment section below. Also, don't forget to share this video to other people, so they too can try out this particular ready to cook food. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Until the next video, take care, stay safe, and see you soon. Bye bye from the Travel Chef team.